My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below, and it'll be right there, right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so long day. It is like almost going on 10 o'clock p.m. February the 10th, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, February the 10th. I had to work today. I am a basketball referee on the side. I had 6 games today, so yeah, my pickup is super late. This did drop today, but like I said, I'm just now getting home, so we're gonna get straight into this because I am like super tired. But yeah, shout out to House of Hoops. Got the House of Hoops by Foot Locker. Just came back from there right now. Pull this out. Boom. Gray box, nothing special. Oh, I spilled some stuff on it. Like that. Red Jumpman on the top of it. You know, the typical Air Jordan 13 box. Oh, I must have did a lot of stuff on this. It's like on the paper. Well, good thing this is only a 13 box, and this box probably gonna go in the trash. Ain't probably. This box going in the trash. I don't need this box. Anyway, reads Air Jordan 13 retro, white, yellow. What's that? Orchid, I think. Blue gray. Suggested retail price was $200. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair. No reseller here. Boom. All right. So nothing special about the inside. Regular white tissue paper, nothing like that. And without further ado, boom. We got the Air Jordan 13 blue gray. Boom. Okay, so not nothing special about the name, Air Jordan 13 blue gray. Not nothing special at all, but it is a very clean shoe. I like the shoe. I don't know where. I think it's in the living room. This remind me of the Soulfly Air Jordan 13s, except for where it's white at. It was blue, and it wasn't really white on that Soulfly. It was more of a grayish and then like tan type color, but it kind of reminds me of that. I like the shoe. First of all, I like the Air Jordan 13. I have a bunch of them down there. Not really going to show y'all that, but I have 1, 2, let me see, off the top of my brain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I count 10 Air Jordan 13s down there, but I think I got like maybe 3 or 4 in boxes too. So I got anywhere from 13 to 15 pairs of Air Jordan 13s. I like Air Jordan 13s. All right, so got some information off of Sneaker News. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It'll be right up right now, right next to you. You can read along with me. Let's go down to these. These are more some images. So let's show you some more images before I actually show y'all the shoe myself. Boom, 7 images. To give you some retailers that has them. February the 10th today was the release date. $200, like I said. And okay, here we go. Synonymous with his 6th NBA championship, Michael Jordan 13th signature silhouette has gone on to become one of the most routinely retro silhouettes from his historic on-court. Each season, the Panther. Oh, I'm sorry, I did not mean to click on that ad. Each season, the Panther-inspired sneaker assumes a series of OG and fresh colorways. Most recently, complemented by the playoffs, black prints, and university blue efforts. Thanks to first look imagery from trusted sneaker insider Z Sneakerheads. Shout out to Z Sneakerheads. The dimpled stitched Embros will be joining the Air Jordan 4 Bread reimagined. next spring with a yellow orchid accent outfit. Whoa, while previous imagery showcased the latter in the more prominent role, the silhouette is instead expected to follow a dominant blue-gray color blocking. Accenting the crisp white tumbled leather, sidewalls, and tongue, Graysel's tone introduced suede textures across the heel and midsole, whereas the golden yellow tint is instead reserved for the tongue embroidered Jumpman insignia. A jet black panther paw also underfoot brings a clarifying hue to the brightened palette, while the staple panther eye emerald affixed to the color assumes its luminous green allure. Okay, so there we go. All right, there goes some more pictures. If you want to see some more pictures of it or whatever like that. Okay, so boom, cut that off. All right, so what all they were saying is, you know, the bottom is the iconic panther paw like that. It's supposed to be like, you know, a panther paw like that. So black paws right there, yellow Jumpman right there in the middle of that. Right there, more black paws, yellow outlining right there. Got that white level, tumbled level on the sides right there. This right here, they said nubuck, right? If I'm not mistaken, they said nubuck, or did they say suede? I think they said, they might have said suede. Yeah, suede. Yeah, so the blue, that university blue is suede material right there going around. Got the got the little bubble right there, air bubble, not air bubble unit, but the hologram. There we go. It should say 23. Yep, 23. If you can see that, probably can't see it.
Yeah, no.
It's all good. White laces, Jordan right there in yellow down at the bottom. Got that yellow Jumpman on the tongue. The inside, you can't really see probably, but it's a black insole with a yellow Jumpman on the inside. You probably can't see it, but it's there. It's there. It's like that. So, I mean, all in all, I mean, I like the shoe. No extra laces came with this. None really needed. All in all, I like the shoe. I mean, it's nothing special. As you can tell by the names, not nothing special. Blue-gray. But
Blue-gray.
I do like, it's a clean shoe. First of all, any university blue Jordan is just fire to me. I like university blue. I love university blue, and I love the suede of that. It's a good material. I mean, I'm not mad at this. I mean, is it a must cop? Do you need this shoe? No, it is other 13s that are just as good. The Flints, of course, you know, but like they said in that whole little thing is they retro the Air Jordan 13 a lot. This is probably, in my opinion, this might be the most retro Jordan. Leave in the comments below what y'all think the most retro Jordan is. What's Jordan you think has the most different colorways? I think it's the 13s. I can't think of nothing else. Because even if, I mean, the 4s got a lot of colorways. They don't got that much colorways now I think about it. I mean, 1s do. Because you got, and even with 1s, you got 1 highs, 1 mids, and 1 lows. So y'all tell me what y'all think is the most OG colorway, silhouette out of all the Jordans. But 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 7, 7.5. Like I said, I like the blue. And I like 13s. Actually, I'm going to give it an 8 because 13s is one of my top silhouette, my top 3 silhouettes. It's 4s, 13s, and I might throw 11s in there. It's even between 11s or 5s, something like that. But my top 2 silhouettes are, oh, I'm sorry, no, I lied. My top 3 silhouettes are the 4s, the 13s, and the 10s. I love Jordan 10s. I love Jordan 10s. That's my top 3 silhouettes. But anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think. Classic 1 to 10, what you gonna give it?
6.5.
6.5. That means you don't really like it that much.
It's
not low.
Decent.
It's decent. Okay. You like the colors?
I only like the blue.
The blue. They're white. Too much white.
Yeah.
I mean, it's okay shoe.
It kind of reminds me of those other Jordans.
Which ones?
I don't know what it's called, but it had the same bubble like the green, but it was black.
Yeah, you probably
I had those before.
You did have. I know what you're talking about. Yeah, all the Jordan 13s got these little hologram.
Yeah, I wear them when it was my birthday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, there we go. Y'all let me know in the comments below. This is a cop or drop for y'all. As you can see, it's a cop for me, so they're just going to vote. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks, the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.